Sikkim Chronicle app is now on Google Play Store and Apple Store. Download and get the latest news and updates from Sikkim and around.
हेलो नमस्कार अनि स्वागत छ यहाँहरू सबैजनालाई सिक्किम क्रोनिकलमा। आज यस एडिसनमा तपाईहरूको परिचय म यस्तो पुलिस अफिसरसँग गराउन लागिरहेको छु जसलाई प्रेसिडेन्ट्स पुलिस मेडल फर मेरिटोरियस सर्भिसले कन्फर गरिएको छ अनि उहाँलाई यो मेडल स्टेट लेभल रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेसन जो पाल्जे स्टेडियममा आयोजन भएको थियो उहाँलाई राज्यका राज्यपालले यो कन्फर गर्नुभएको छ र उहाँ हुनुहुन्छ नन अदर देन अ भेरी डाइनामिक वुमेन पुलिस अफिसर फ्रम दिस टाइनी हिमालयन स्टेट अफ सिक्किम छोहाङ लाहामु भुटिया। अनि म्याडम अहिले सुप्रिन्टेन्डेन्ट अफ पुलिस हुनुहुन्छ चेकपोस्ट डिभिजन सिक्किम पुलिसमा। म्याम फर्स्ट एन्ड फरमोस्ट तपाईँलाई कङ्ग्रेचुलेसन्स।
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sikkim Chronicle, for having taken my interview, for having the at least I could have the privilege to say something.
राइट र कङ्ग्रेचुलेटरी मेसेजेसहरू पुरा पाइरहनु भएको छ तपाईँले है। अनि एभ्री पुलिस हेज दिस डिजायर टु वान्स एटलिस्ट गेट कन्फर विथ दिस प्रेस्टिजियस प्रेसिडेन्ट मेरिटोरियस सर्भिस अवार्ड। what was your emotion when you were receiving this award from the hands of the governor?
Yeah, I really felt so much elated that it's beyond my description. Right. I am not able to describe what I really felt like. I was really happy, and there are no more words to describe as such.
Right. Ma'am, we just wanted to know कति भयो तपाईले पुलिसमा सर्भिस दिनुभएको आफ्नो?
Now it's been near almost 38 years of my service in the police department, and I feel that I've achieved as a police officer what I had done for my department, and it really paid me at the end.
Ma'am, तपाईहरू फर्स्ट वुमेन सब इन्सपेक्टर्स हुनुहुन्छ है सिक्किममा अपोइन्ट हुनुभएको रिक्रुट हुनुभएको है। टेल अस व्हेन वाज द्याट, विच इयर यु गट रिक्रुटेड एन्ड हाउ वाज इट किन चाहिँ वुमेन त्यति बेलासम्म रिप्रेजेन्टेसन थिएन? वाइ वाज द रिप्रेजेन्टेसन इन पुलिस?
Since you all know, and since you must be knowing that police department, as it's what you say, a saying or something like that, police is been dominated by male.
Yes.
And till when we were selected, it was almost a male-dominated department. Now, after our selection, we were the first. In fact, we were the first lady officers directly recruited in the sub-inspector.
Which year was that?
And that was in 1984.
And how many you were recruited?
We were in total, we were 7 recruited in the first instance. And we had our initial training at PTC Philor, that's in Punjab, Jalandhar.
Then after that you came back?
Yeah, I came back, and my probation period, I was posted on probation to Naya Bazar PS. That was my first assignment in the police station.
So was it you had this desire to join force since your childhood, or it was just an accidentally you landed up in this job?
No, actually, as for my character, I was not at all into this type of uniformed job, uniform profession. Actually, I was not into all this because I was somewhat silent. My character, as what I'm describing,
Introvert.
Introvert. I was not that fond of wearing this police uniform and just joining the force. It was not in my character. So I must say that it's an accidental.
So how did it happen? Why you decided? Was it your family members wanted to join you the police force?
No, actually one of my uncle who at that time was in police department as deputy superintendent of police, he just said that you must also apply. You must also apply for this job, and because of him only I just applied, and fortunately it was my luck that I must go in this profession. So I happened to got selected. That's it.
So do you regret the decision now?
No, it's I don't regret, because had I been in civil department, maybe I won't be having this opportunity to get conferred with what I have today been.
Tell us about your family. Like, where were you grown up? You went to which schools? Tell us something about your parents.
Basically, I am from Tathangchen. I am born and brought up at Tathangchen. I have 4 sisters, including myself, and 4 brothers. We are a huge family member.
Right.
My father, he was into he was into a government job, and it's been 2 years since he passed away. And today, I really feel that had he been alive, he would be the most happiest person in this world to get me having been conferred with President's Police Meritorious Service
Do
Medal.
you miss him?
I really miss him, and I'm so emotional when I speak about him.
I think you were very close to your father.
Yes, of course, I was very much close. So today I really miss him.
How many siblings? I mean, तपाईहरु कतिजना siblings हो?
We are altogether 8, my 4 brothers, and we are 4 sisters and 4 brothers. Altogether we are 8.
So tell us about your schooling.
Yeah, I did my schooling. Basic education I got from Tathangchen school, because that time during my period in school, that school was run by the royal family, and it was directly looked after by the Gyalmu. And after passing out from Tathangchen school, I joined PNG for some time. Then finally I passed away from Inche Senior Secondary School.
You passed out from Inche, then straight you went to Force.
Yeah, at that time I was, I just got the opportunity to get selected in police. So I straight away, instead of attending college, I straight away came into job.
A first lot of women police officers recruited goes to a training in Punjab. Wasn't that difficult? What was the perspective of the male other trainees towards women police officers from Sikkim, the first batch?
Since we were the first batch and we had our training at PTC Philor, Philor really was, the discipline and the physical, training, all was very, very difficult for lady officers especially.
Because you have to do like other men.
Yeah,
discrimination.
there was no discrimination that we are female, so we must be, considered, and we will not be able to do with what our male colleagues do. It was not like that. We had to come at par with our male colleagues
Because
also.
you were getting same salary.
Yeah, same salary, and everything was same. So because of that, our instructors at this training center, they used to say there is no male and no female in police department. So you must do what your male colleagues are doing. There was no consideration during this training also. So
was that really difficult? I mean, to go under rigorous training?
yeah, initially it was quite difficult, but later on, we just since we people being from hilly region, we didn't have any difficulties in carrying out and competing with our male colleagues.
Absolutely. So, ma'am, down the years, 38 years of service in Sikkim Police, how do you see how the policing has evolved in our state?
Yeah, during our tenure and compared to what today it is, there are vast changes, vast differences. The day we got appointed in the police department, the day we had struggled. Right now, since it's been digitalized, and because of that, there are so vast differences in the way our professional we have as in the profession we are carrying on with.
Right. So, male counterpart ko चाहिँ support system कस्तो छ, especially to women police and police officers in Sikkim Police?
Initially, there used to be some problem because our male counterparts also were not used to,
Accepting the fact.
used to in just, getting job done along with their female counterparts. But later on, everything is went well, and today there is no discrimination as such.
How is the support from the police senior officers?
Our senior officers, they are our mentor, guide, and whatever we did, it's been counted. At least they are senior officers. Because of the senior officers in our department, today what we are achieving and what we are comfort with today, it's all because of our senior officers.
Right. So, ma'am, as a women police officer, which was in fact the difficult posting for you, full of challenges?
Full of challenges. Basically, now what you look from the point of view as per profession is that investigating officer in various police stations, that sometimes becomes quite critical and quite difficult for us to handle. But even then, everything went well. Everything went well and ended well, I mean to say.
So, what do you think? What is the biggest strength of Chawang Lama Bhutia?
There were challenges, there were challenges since I was the first lady SHO to get the opportunity from lady officers in the Sikkim police. I was the first lady officer to have posted as SHO. And my first posting, I mean to say, is Rinok police station. I worked there as independent SHO.
And it was difficult, like to handling cases and all.
No. It's not that difficult, but everything takes its own time. And if we are, efficient, if we are sincere, if we are honest, nothing is possible.
Right.
Yeah, that's my that's my principle, and I believe if one is,
Dedicated.
honest, dedicated, their efficiency really proves.
Right, absolutely. Ma'am, what does it mean to be conferred with this kind of police award, and how it boosts your morale and the professional spirit?
Now, getting this President's Police Medal, it's not a matter of joke.
Right.
Because this President's Police Medal, now even if we are recommended by our branch, and it has to go to the police headquarters, there are also several members committee is formed, and several members sit down, our senior officers sit down, they sit down to discuss, and from there to pass that phase is also difficult.
Scrutiny,
Because everyone will scrutinize. If one officer's like, the other four may not like, so everything has to be, everyone has to like it, everyone has to just see the efficiency, what this officer has done for the department. And because of that only, it can, go to the government finally.
Is there any individuals you would like to thank for this award?
Yeah, actually, I would like to thank my AD. Right now, he is SDG, Mr. Akshay Sachdeva, and he was, very much there to support me in whatever, because I had worked with him during my tenure at Sadar Police Station. And the other officer whom I would very much like to thank is Mr. B.K. Tamang, who used to be my DIGP checkpost. And through their contribution, or they did see my efficiency, and because of that today I was conferred. And in fact, I would thank my DGP sir and the state government also, because everyone had seen my efficiency, everyone had seen my honesty, sincerity. Because of that today I am quite lucky enough to have conferred with this PPM.
Ma'am, so as we wind up this interview, what is your message to so many girls and women of Sikkim who wants to join force?
Yeah, I would very much welcome them, and it is my sincere advice to one who are in the job already, and those who want to come in the future also, that we have to be very honest, we have to be sincere, we should not use any corrupt means of practice, whether we are ladies or gents, but one has to be very efficient, and that will only be my advice to the younger upcoming generation.
Thank you so much for speaking with us and all the best. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
सो उहाँ हुनुहुन्थ्यो प्रेसिडेन्ट पुलिस मेडल फर मेरिटोरियस सर्भिसले कन्फर हुनुभएको सुप्रिन्टेन्डेन्ट अफ पुलिस फ्रम सिक्किम पुलिस म्याडम छङ लाहामु भुटिया आई एम स्योर यु अल इन्जोयड दिस कन्भर्सेसन एन्ड मेनी अफ यु in fact have also been motivated by her opinions and thought process. If you have, then please don't forget to put your comment in the comment box below. We'll be back with similar kind of inspiring personality in next edition with my camera person Roman Gurung. This is Nirmal reporting for Sikkim Chronicle.
Sikkim Chronicle app is now on Google Play Store and Apple Store. Download and get the latest news and updates from Sikkim and around.